Is it really possible to earn $100 every single day as a student in 2025? Absolutely. And this video is your roadmap to making it happen. In today's world, students are facing rising tuition costs, expensive textbooks, rent, and daily living expenses. For many, working a part-time job just isn't enough. The income is limited, the hours are inflexible, and it often feels like there's never enough left over to save, travel, or invest in future goals. But here's the good news. The digital economy has completely changed the game. Now, students all over the world are learning how to make money online, create passive income, and gain real financial independence, all while still in school. Let's address why student entrepreneurship matters now more than ever. Traditional student jobs are stuck in the past. Whether it's waiting tables, working retail, or taking on campus gigs, these roles often offer little more than minimum wage and rigid capped hours. Students pour in countless hours for paychecks that barely cover books and basic expenses. And let's face it, these jobs rarely align with a student's long-term career goals or offer meaningful growth. But there is a better way. And that's student entrepreneurship. It's not just about starting a business, it's about reclaiming control. Students today can build scalable, flexible, and even passive income streams by leveraging digital platforms, online tools, and their own skill sets. In today's fast-moving digital economy, entrepreneurship equips students with more than just money. It builds resilience, adaptability, and real-world experience. It's a smarter path forward, one that empowers students to earn on their own terms, grow professionally, and start shaping the future while still in school. Now more than ever, student entrepreneurship isn't just an option, it's a competitive edge. Let's break down a few practical ways students can earn $100 daily or more. But first, please ensure to watch the entire video because you do not want to miss my preferred method for students to make money online passively. Welcome to Trailblazers Mindset, where wealth builders come to get inspired. Let's dive in. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing allows students to get paid for skills they already have, like writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and more. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to connect with clients who need these services. Freelancing offers flexibility, scalability, and the ability to work on your own terms. With dedication and time, you can build a client base and hit consistent daily income goals. Before we dive into number 2, if you find value in this video, please hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. We appreciate your support. Thank you. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular and accessible forms of passive income. It involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. From blogs and YouTube channels to social media posts, students can use affiliate links to generate recurring income. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Impact offer many products to get started. 3. Online tutoring. Students who excel in certain subjects can earn money by tutoring others. Whether it's math, science, languages, or test prep, learners are always looking for help. Online platforms like Preply, Wyzont, and Chegg Tutors make it easy to connect with clients and set your own rates and hours. As a result, you can often earn far more per hour than traditional part-time work. 4. Selling digital products and online courses. One of the best ways to build passive income is by selling digital products, things like templates, ebooks, printables, or online courses. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Skillshare allow anyone to package their knowledge and sell it globally. Once created, these products can generate income long after the initial effort, perfect for students looking to earn while focusing on their studies. While it is practical to make money online with all these methods, my preference for students is online tutoring and selling online courses. Let's break it down. With the rise of online learning platforms and digital tools, students now have a powerful, flexible, and rewarding income opportunity right at their fingertips: online tutoring and course creation. Think about it. Students already spend hours mastering academic subjects, developing specialized skills, and navigating complex topics. Why not turn that hard-earned knowledge into a steady stream of income? Whether it's helping high schoolers with math, teaching beginners how to code, or guiding peers through tough college subjects, tutoring is a high-impact way to earn money while reinforcing your own knowledge. Even better, the demand for online education is booming. Parents, professionals, and learners of all ages are looking for explicit, relatable instruction, and who better to teach than someone who just mastered it themselves? Students have a unique edge. They understand the learning process, speak the same academic language, and can connect with others in a way most traditional instructors can't. But it doesn't stop at tutoring. Creating and selling digital courses on platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or Teachable opens the door to passive income. You can package your knowledge once and sell it repeatedly. This means you can earn money in your sleep, during exams, or even while on vacation. Course creation teaches essential entrepreneurial skills like communication, marketing, content design, and audience building, all valuable assets in today's job market. Unlike typical student jobs, tutoring and teaching online offer flexible hours, remote work freedom, and uncapped earning potential. You set your rates, build your brand, and grow at your own pace. More importantly, you get to make a real impact, helping others succeed while building your own future. So why settle for minimum wage when you could be your own boss, earn more, and gain experience that actually adds value to your resume? In a world where knowledge is currency, sharing what you know is one of the smartest, most empowering moves a student can make. And there has never been a better time to learn how to make money online. With global access to information, low-cost tools, and demand for digital services, the playing field has been leveled. Waiting for the perfect moment only delays progress. Start small, test ideas, make mistakes, learn and grow. Every successful entrepreneur begins right where you are, with a decision to try. And there has never been a better time to learn how to make money online. With global access to information, low-cost tools, and demand for digital services, the playing field has been leveled. Waiting for the perfect moment only delays progress. Start small, test ideas, make mistakes, learn and grow. Every successful entrepreneur begins right where you are, with a decision to try. Imagine what it would feel like to cover all your tuition and bills without loans, build a savings account before you graduate, travel, invest, and support your family on your terms. This isn't just about money. It's about freedom, confidence, and building a future you control. Now that you know what's possible, it's time to take action. Challenge yourself to earn $100 a day, not overnight, but through consistent steps. Choose one method: freelancing, tutoring, selling a course, or affiliate marketing. Learn the tools. Set goals. Take the first step today. Every expert once started as a beginner. The only thing that separated them from others was the fact that they started. This video is just the beginning. More strategies, success stories, and in-depth tutorials are coming your way to help you unlock your full potential as a student entrepreneur. If you're ready to break free from financial limits, embrace online income, and start building real wealth in 2025, you're in the right place. Drop your questions or your own income journey in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more proven strategies on how to earn money online, build passive income, and create the future you deserve. Your support helps us continue to create content that empowers you to explore new income opportunities. If you are interested in strategies that can help you transform your dreams into success in 2025, check out our video on that topic. It covers 5 proven strategies. The link is in the description. Please note that we are not financial advisors. This information is for educational purposes only. We'll see you back here next time, Trailblazers. Until then, take care and thank you. See you at the top.